Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Lawson Dawson Mulberry, and it is one of my favorite mulberries this year. It is awesome. Lawson Dawson, awesome. It's an early season mulberry, cold hardy. Everything in our orchard is cold hardy down to about 10 degrees Fahrenheit because that's the bottom end of zone 8A. But it's still coming in now. It's been about a month now, and it's still producing for us. We only have a small tree, but we're gonna prune it back pretty heavily this summer in order to try and get some more trees going because it's great. Everybody who's tried it loves it. I'm happy to share it with people that have never had a mulberry because I know they're going to have a good experience. I'm not very good at describing taste, but it's up there with Illinois Everbearing, Kip Parker, and some of the other very sweet, tart tasting berries. You know how it is sometimes when you get to a new berry, it'll be maybe a little grassy or honey sweet for the white ones, but this one is just fantastic. And I'm not good with describing taste, but all I can say, it's great. And anybody who would taste this is good. And we're very comfortable with bringing it down to the market and sharing it with people who have never tried mulberries before. It makes a great combination with Kip Parker and Illinois Everbearing because this comes in early. Kip Parker is kind of a mid-season mulberry, and then Illinois Everbearing produces after that for a long time. So highly recommend it.